So what is up everyone, it's MSS here, and in this new video we're going to review on newly launched money making software called AI Ninja Cashout. Yes, AI Ninja Cashout. So what is this AI Ninja Cashout, what it do, and how it going to help you to make money online? In this video we're going to talk about all of this, but wait, if you use link in my description below to purchase it, then you will get 10 freaking bonuses and 3 of them contain full codes about digital marketing. So don't miss out that. So what is AI Ninja Cashout? I mean, by the help of this online money making software, you can make money as much as you want. I mean, by the help of this software, you can do YouTube streams as well, and also you can run multiple campaigns in multiple platforms by the help of this one software, AI Ninja Cashout. I mean, you can run campaigns on Facebook, you can run campaigns on Twitter, Indeed, Medium, platform like this. So let me quickly jump into the sales page of the product so I can tell you the more details. So what are the basic features of the AI Ninja Cashout? I mean, once you activate the software, you will enjoy the string payment of $47 over and over again. And they have banked $29,000 worth of cash injected to our accounts using the AI Ninja Cashout. And their beta testers have earned $230,000 in just pure profit. And you know what is the best part? 94% of the beta testers profited within 12 to 24 hours. And there is zero effort needed, just 3 clicks and 2 minutes of work to set up the AI Ninja Cashout. And you can also choose the fast track to online success. And there is no extra fees, and they're gonna making profit out of thin air. They are offering 365 days money back guarantee. Plus, if you fail, they will get paid $300 to you. And you can also see they're making money by using the AI Ninja Cashout. I mean, you can see in 30 days they have earned $30,000. I mean, it's $1,000 per day. Also, a good chunk of money they are making by using AI Ninja Cashout, and it's all 100% of the profit. And the more the campaign we created, the more you will get paid. I mean, in just one campaign, you're going to make minimum of $47. In 5 campaigns, you're gonna make $233. In 10 campaigns, $470. In 20 campaigns, $940. I mean, it's quite a good of money. And you can see also the review of the beta testers. They have earned $2,000, $300 or $400 a day, $30,000 in 30 days. I mean, they are making quite a good of money by using AI Ninja Cashout. So how the software works? I mean, how you can get paid $47 over and over again by creating simple campaigns. I mean, the first step is you just have to access AI Ninja Cashout. You can click any of the button of this page to secure access to AI Ninja Cashout. Second step is you can turn on AI Ninja Cashout to start exploring streaming platforms worth $139.07 billion. And the third step is you just have to receive a cash out payment of $47 commission 12 times per day, or you can earn more than that. I mean, I will quickly play a demo video of the software so you will understand better how the software works and how you can use it to make money online.
Hey guys, welcome to the demo video of AI Ninja Cashout. So first of all, it's an app where you can make limitless money using multi-million-dollar video streaming websites. So let me show you how you can do this. So first of all, here is the login page. Just log in. I have already created my account and I am entering my ID and password. So here it is. Now here's the dashboard of AI Ninja Cashout. So just click on API channels and now click on Facebook and just log in with Facebook. Now just click on continue. And as you can see, my account is imported now. Also, there is a lot of other platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, WordPress. So just import your account like this. I have already added my account. All right, here's my Twitter account. Here is my WordPress account. You can just click import account and your account will be added like this. So now just click here for stream now. Here it is. And let me show you how you can first streaming with YouTube. Just click here and click on social account. Now import your account, sign in with Google, and now click here. Now click on AI Ninja Online, all right, and just click on continue. All right, now so as you can see, the YouTube is now added. Now click on channel manager. All right, here is the channel manager. You have to just upload the video here. Just click on actions. Now click on upload new video. So here how you can stream your video on YouTube. Just enter the title. How I make your wealth. Right. So and video description, you don't have to create any video description. There is an AI. So just click here. Click on AI content generator. All right. Now click on add content. Money online. Enter your title here. How to link learning on it. Affiliate is marketing. Just enter like this and click on save. Alright, now click on result and just copy this and close. And you can paste the description here. Here is the description. You can just see like this. Alright. Here it is. Now click on video category. Like my video is related to events. I click on public, select the time zone. Time zone is like this. And now click to upload video. I have already created the video here. Just click on here and my video is uploaded. Now click on create campaign. Alright, it's loading right now. So as you can see, my video is uploaded on YouTube and I have already scheduled the time. Alright, here is my scheduled time. And now let's go to YouTube. First, the status is pending, but wait for a few minutes, then it will be active. Alright, so let's check on YouTube first. Alright, so for that, just click here. And here you can see my video is uploaded like this. So this is how you can stream on YouTube using AI Ninja Cashout. Now let me show you how you can stream on other platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, WordPress. So just click on stream now. And now click on click on video post. Now click on create new post. And enter your campaign name here. My first campaign. Now your video URL, or you can upload your video like this. I have just uploaded the same video like this. And enter your caption. I replace this as demo video. Okay. And now click on post now. You can schedule like this. If you want to stream your video with your time, then just click here or post now. So I am selecting my Facebook, Twitter, alright, and my WordPress. Okay, and now click on create campaign. Once you created this, your campaign is created successfully. Alright, now it's showing pending, but let's wait for few minutes. Then once it will show active, then your video will be uploaded on that channels like Facebook, Twitter. So after a few minutes, now status is completed. Now let's go to Facebook. And now I'm going to my channel where I have uploaded this. Okay. So once you uploaded the video, the traffic will be, as you can see, now my video is just uploaded in Facebook. And now login Twitter. Now click on my profile. And here it is. Now as you can see, the video is uploaded here too. And now my video is streaming now. So once you uploaded the video, the traffic will come, and once they will click on your link or your video even, then you can make easy cash using AI Ninja Cashout. So this is it. This is how you can make limitless money using AI and uploading stream video on multiple channels like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, WordPress, YouTube, etc. So this is how you can make limitless money using AI Ninja Cashout. So thank you for watching.
So now let's talk about what you will get with AI Ninja Cashout. I mean, the first thing you will get the AI Ninja Cashout app. Second thing is AI streaming profit. And the third thing is AI Ninja Cashout mobile version. You will also get the mobile edition of the software. And you will get also the training videos. And in this section, you will get to know how to make money with AI Ninja Cashout. And the fifth thing is world-class support. I mean, if you stuck, the support of the AI Ninja Cashout will help you to get over it. So now let's talk about the price. In AI Ninja Cashout, you will get all of the features we already talked about. And they are offering also 5 bonuses. And if you use the link in my description below, then you will also get 10 bonuses from my side also. And 3 of them contains a full course about digital marketing. You will get all of this 10 bonuses, total 15 bonuses, and all of the features with the AI Ninja Cashout. And you can make money with just $17. So I hope everything get clear to you how the software works and what is the main benefit of using it. But if you use the link in my description below, then you will get 10 bonuses, Instagram ads, how to get successful with Instagram ads, how to run Instagram ads properly. And the third course is the traffic handbook. You will get to know everything about how to get traffic and how to market with it. And also you can access these bonuses after completing your purchase. And if you're having any problem and if you're having any queries about any software, then please connect me on Instagram. I will give my Instagram link in the description also. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you find this video any value, then please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to watch more review video like this.